bought a book on modern Japanese ceramics, and it's a translation from a German book. Two German collectors, a husband and wife, who've been doing business in Japan for years and collecting pots at the same time. And it has really a very good kind of just a potted history of pottery in Japan. And it's just fascinating again the way that it ties in with the tea ceremony and the changing social order in Japan. To play this is such an important part in Japanese society, like nowhere else at all. And it's still doing so. And you would see these kind of vases, just a single flowering all over the place. The biggest customer for my flower vase is St Margaret's Hospice.
Oh.
Lots of little vases that go on some meal trays.
Who first invented potting on a wheel?
Sorry?
Who first invented potting on a wheel?
Who invented?
Yeah.
Oh, again, it's very much this Japanese asymmetric.
That was the first, was it?
Yeah.
I've got one of those, and
One
you
extreme
put
to
a
the other.
it's got a hole in it near the top, which is lovely.
Yes.
So that was how it arrived, was
Yep.
it?
Yep.
And just happened to get a hole, or did you
I
go
just-
back and make the hole
No,
after?
you don't go back and do anything.
So it just did it.
Just do it.
Ooh.
I should take the water out for it.
I ended up with two pieces, like a tree struck by lightning.
It's great.
Ikebana.
Yeah. That's rather nice.
Yeah. I'd be lucky
I'm
if
sure
I could
that
get the pot
side
line.
facing towards the flame
Decoration.
with the wood ash. Yes. Yes.
Right, okay.
Everyone's going to do that.
Yeah, that's right. They might give you a
Well,
size.
I mean, I was fairly vigorous with that.
Well, it's good practice.
It's
Yes, it
expected
is.
I do get holes. But most of the time, because the condition you're doing it to the clay and the fact that you're using it, it's got a fairly blunt end. It's putting a wave into the clay rather than cutting into it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that then again works well with the raw glazing. Okay?
Right.
Right.
I just get like that.